Hello guys, and we will be doing another video of TT Rockstar. As you can see, I am now 1.22, so we're going to bounce. 1 second. See, these are all of my friends. Some of them have only got 126 coins. I haven't found anyone else. Some reason. So, where are the points? 1.32, that's good. So guys, I just got 1.2210. And someone is catching me up, so if I reset this. Oh yeah, I'm still, let's see. Yeah, no one hacked me. Thank you. Jesus. Let's see if he moved up. So, I'm at the top of the leaderboard there. This is class. Jamie, that's James. I don't know what's happening. I guess broke. Mr. Butcher's got 83,000 coins altogether. That's a compound. Let's really claim it up. Okay. He's got 62,000 coins. I'm not sure who will deal it, so I am 12,000 coins there. 644. Total. So this is how much we've earned in the whole year. So Melissa Butcher with 108,000 total coins altogether. Danger Hunter 85,000 coins. Honey Kramer 80,000 coins. PJ Summer 71,000 coins. Me, as in 58,000. Lieutenant Newman 49,000. Jamie Ronalds, how is it? 48,000 one person. 47,000 Rip Cook. 41,000 Beat Bones. 36,000. Then just keeps them going. And the person who is last is on the end. Okay, 3,000 coins now. We're gonna go and play. We're not gonna do studio today because I don't want to make it worse. So we're gonna warm up with some festival. Then we're going to garage 1 minute. My high score now is 55 correct in 1 minute. Comment below what you've got as well. 8, 5, 6, 5, 8, 3, 4, 8, 4, 63, 36, 32, 88, 4, 72, 44, 18, 3, 36, 4, 77, 3, 36, 20, 4, 3, 7, 55, 24, 11, 14, 18, 77, 18, 12, 6, 3, 18, 3, 7, 40, 35, 14, 25, 34, 90. I don't know if I forgot that one, but move you guys down there. That wasn't good. Yeah. So the person who got the best 0.53, Leo Hivner. Second, Hadrit Mariner. Then two got Black Heroes. Third, Amr Aloma. Then I'm 13, 1.33. Yeah. These people are good. 5 times 11, 55, you know. Came home. No, not big. Well, so guys, sorry about that. I was just talking to my parents. What should I do? Might do a sound check. Comment down below, you can do this. Then it would crack. So we'll go slow in this and just wait for it. I don't know. And so 25. Sorry if I'm not talking, I can talk and I'm not talking. Yeah, 96. 55. Yeah, I don't need to say the answers on here, I'm just saying them for some reason. I can talk to you guys on the way, so that's 12. So guys, yeah, comment down below if you're faster than me, I'm 1.22 member. In our next video, we might do Roblox, so we might just stick with TT Rockstars. But what you can do is comment down below if you want me to do TT Rockstars or Roblox. You pick. I'm not going to pick for you guys. You can, because it's your entertainment. So it sounds. And I got 25 out of 25, guys. Let's see. Yeah, 25. Good game from them. Right, let's see how much I can get 1 minute, pardon me. Guys, I did get 55 once. Can you please? Or 9, I can get 55. Move you guys up there. So we don't faster. Might have 5 not being 4, 3. Something like that. So guys, I'm sorry if I don't talk a lot. I'm sorry if you can hear my keys. I know you can hear them, but Sorry about that. Obviously I was inserting that work. Don't hear keys, but it doesn't work. So sorry about my keys, and I'm not talking like that. And smash that like button below if you think I'm good at TT Rockstar. Comment who you watch as well, so that means that I can watch other people as well, not just the people who watch, because that's getting boring. So I don't know how much I got this, but 46. Oh! Came 5th, guys. I came 5th. What in the world just happened to me then? Oh my giddy. Right, so guys, I will see you in another video, because I got the vomiting now, so remember to hit that subscribe button down there, comment what your speed is, comment if you're better than me, or if I'm good, like if you think I'm good, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.